cruising through Europe's iconic cities along the Danube, or enjoying a rainforest tour through Costa Rica. Even better, they'll pick you up and drive you home again afterwards. 2026 season now on sale. Search Samba Holidays. Experience is everything. Nationwide chauffeur service available on UK mainland. Full terms apply. Over 50s only.
So, what's on your to-do list today? Why don't you check if you're eligible for pension credit? It tops up your pension income and also opens up help with heating bills, council tax and more. Search pension credit on gov.uk or call 0800 99 1234. There's nothing to lose. Check today. Pension credit. Credit where credit's due. Eligibility criteria apply.
Zero, nada, zilch. When Vauxhall say 0%, they mean 0%. No catch, no compromise. 0% APR is available now across the Vauxhall car range, including the all-new Frontera Electric. With a minimum 20% deposit and up to 4 years on offer, what's not to like? You'll pay 0% APR for 100% Vauxhall. Search Vauxhall to find out more. Personal contract purchase, 20% deposit required, subject to status and availability. T's and C's and exclusions apply. Stellantis Financial Services. Our lives are becoming more reliant on electricity than ever. We're streaming, cooking, working, charging our cars, even spying on our neighbours through the doorbell camera. So soon we'll need even more electricity. We could be harnessing our own homegrown energy, but we need to grow our electricity grid to connect it. Then we can make the country more self-sufficient. And leave you to keep an eye on Sandra at number 42 in case she steals your green bin again. Moving the grid forward moves us all forward.
Do it for your wife, who told you to pick up bread, but instead you picked up Fred, your grandson, again. And now your daughter is calling because he missed football. That's the 4th time this month. You can wave his future career goodbye. If you don't do it for you, do it for your wife and little Freddie.
Book a free hearing test today at bootshearingcare.com and save up to £300 with our free technology upgrade. Boots, with you for life. T's and C's apply. See website for details.
Leading Britain's conversation. This is LBC with Sheila Ferguson. Text 84850.
Back to calls in a second. I'm joined in the studio there by Andy Hughes, LBC's crime correspondent, to talk about something that we have touched on before in part, but there are kind of a new clarity around the numbers, and it's sadly in relation to the number of children arrested on suspicion of, wait for it, terror offences. This is, I mean, it kind of beggars belief when you read this, doesn't it?
Yeah, indeed. It's one of those stories, and you'll know this, Sheila, that sometimes you come across, and the further you dig, the more you think this can't be real. But
Where your jaw drops.
yeah, exactly, yeah. But unfortunately, this one is. So 43 children have been arrested for terror offences, including plotting mass shootings, bombings of mosques, synagogues and music festivals across Britain. That is the highest number we've ever seen in this country. We're now in a situation where 1 in 5 of all terror arrests are children, which is, again, the highest
And by children we
ratio.
mean under 18.
17 million.
And what is the youngest?
11 is the youngest for preparing a terror attack. So I spoke to an undercover officer in counter-terror police. He can't be identified because of the work he does, of course, but he told me that all these kids are being radicalised on very easily accessible and popular social media sites.
The content is absolutely violent.
Are we talking bomb manuals? Are we talking planning terror attacks? What are we talking?
If you name it, then you'll see it. There are statistically horrible people out there. Very few of the actual individuals that are in the centre, the nexus, that are driving the threat, are actually carrying out any offences themselves. What they actually follow is to encourage other people, give other people the resources, poke other individuals, exacerbate their grievances, and encourage those to go out and carry out an attack.
So the majority of these arrests, Sheila, have been for extreme right-wing terrorism, which is what we've seen in recent years. But this year there's also been a rise in plots inspired by Islamist extremism as well. So how does it work? Well, hate preachers are grooming young people on social media and supply them with terror handbooks, is what the police called it, including manuals of how to make bombs and build